Want to know how to turn on the sound on your Galaxy A57 but don't know how? Stay tuned to this video and I'll show you step by step. First, press the volume up button to increase the volume, then tap on the three dots. Turn the volume all the way up to the maximum. Now swipe your finger on the right side of the screen. This bell icon shouldn't look like this, and it also shouldn't look like this. It should have the bell icon activated like this. Now go into the settings icon and scroll down to the sound and vibration option. This option needs to be selected. Tap on the ringtone option. The volume should be at maximum, and the ringtone you select here needs to be one that actually has sound, because if you pick this one, your calls will be silent. So choose a ringtone that has sound. After choosing the ringtone, go back, enter notification sound, and check the same thing. Make sure the notification sound has audio and the volume is at maximum. Go back again and tap on system sound. These options should be enabled and the volume set to maximum. Go back again and tap on volume. All options and the volume should be at maximum, and this option should be enabled. Okay, after doing that, go back. If any notification on your phone doesn't have sound, tap on notifications. Now tap on Do Not Disturb mode and make sure all the options are turned off. Go back again, enter the first option, and look for any app on your phone that doesn't have notification sounds. Tap on the app and make sure this option is enabled, because if you turn it off, that app won't have notification sounds. Go back again, and the last option would be your phone's alarm clock. If your alarm clock doesn't have sound, tap on the clock icon. Tap on alarm, then tap on the alarm clock. And now you need to make sure the days of the week are selected, because if you don't select days of the week, the alarm won't go off on those days. So make sure to select the days. The sound option should be enabled, and here you'll tap on sound. Tap on this option and check that the ringtone you've selected actually has sound. Once you've confirmed the ringtone has sound, go back. Go back again. Remember, this volume should be set to maximum. Go back and tap save. These are all the options for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did help, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave your comment down below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel for more videos.